Does your Audi have the 360-degree surround view camera option, but you don't know how to enter this option and how to select the different camera angles? No worries. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to enter the 360-degree surround view camera option and also how to select the different camera angles. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. In the center console you will find this button marked with a P and a camera. By clicking on this button, you will see on the Audi MMI screen that the camera menu will open itself. By clicking on the different buttons on the bottom left side, you can select the different camera angles, like the Audi 3D surroundings view, where you can easily see all the angles of your Audi. But you can also select only the front view, the top view and the back view of your Audi. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more Bach car tutorials. Does your Audi have the Audi Lane Assist option and you would like to turn it off but you don't know how to do so? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you how to switch off the Audi Lane Assist and also how to turn off the lane departure vibration warning. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Start the engine of your Audi. To switch off the Audi Lane Assist, you need to go to the turn signal lever, which is located on the left side of the steering wheel. At the end of the turn signal lever you will find a button that can be used to turn the Audi Lane Assist on and off. When you deactivate the Audi Lane Assist, you will see that the symbol disappears on both the Audi head-up display and the Audi virtual cockpit. Would you like to keep the Audi Lane Assist activated but you would like to switch off the Lane Assist vibration warning? Go to the Audi MMI screen, click on Car, go to Driver Assist. Click on the setting gear symbol and scroll down to Lane Departure Warning. You can now switch off the Lane Departure vibration warning. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more Bach car tutorials. Did you know that you can improve your view of the road with Audi's Night Vision Assistant if your Audi has this option, even if you have difficulty seeing with standard headlights or in complete darkness? The system uses an infrared camera located at the front of the car to detect heat sources like animals or people. Curious how to use the Night Vision Assistant option? Just watch this video and I will show you how to use the Night Vision Assistant in your Audi. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. The Audi Night Vision Assistant works by using infrared technology to enhance its visibility in low light conditions. Warmer objects such as pedestrians or animals are shown brighter on the screen, while cooler environments such as the road are shown darker. If a pedestrian, cyclist or animal is detected by the system, the Night Vision Assistant can issue visual or audible warnings, especially if the detected object is moving towards the vehicle and poses a collision risk. A thermal image is displayed in the Audi virtual cockpit. By using the arrows on the steering wheel, you can navigate to the correct menu to open the real-time image of the Night Vision Assistant. If the Night Vision Assistant is not available, check whether the car's lighting is set correctly. By side lights or when the headlights are turned off, Night Vision Assistant will be unavailable. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more Bach car tutorials. Does your Audi have the adaptive air suspension option and you would like to adjust the height of your Audi, but you're not sure how to automatically raise or lower your Audi? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to raise or lower the height of your Audi to your preference. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. The adaptive air suspension can raise or lower the vehicle's ride height to improve aerodynamics, increase ground clearance, or enhance handling in certain driving conditions. This feature is especially useful for off-road driving or when driving on rough terrain. Overall, the adaptive air suspension enhances ride comfort, improves handling, and provides a more dynamic driving experience. However, it is important to note that lowering the air suspension may affect ride comfort, handling, and ground clearance of your Audi. Make sure to adjust the ride height according to your driving preferences and the driving conditions you will encounter. But how to set the ride height to your preference? Start your Audi and go to the Audi MMI menu. Click on Car. Go to Audi Drive Select. Via the different driving modes, you can lower or raise the height of your Audi to your preference. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more car tutorials. Would you like to set up your own user profile into your Audi and save your preferences for everything, from your favorite radio station to your seat position to climate controls, but you don't know how to do so? No problem, just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to set your own personal profile into your Audi, how to change from a profile, and how to reset a profile. But first, subscribe to this channel to help us achieve our goals of at least 1000 subscribers. Go to the Audi MMI screen and go to User. Click on Profile Selection. Click on one of the profiles that you would like to make your own. A new notification will pop up. Click on Apply. The profile will now be installed. To change the name of the profile, click on Rename. You can now type the name of your preference. By clicking on the OK button, you will save the name of your preference. Your personal profile is now set and can be used. Would you like to change from a profile? Go back to the User menu and click on Profile Selection. Click on the profile you would like to activate and click on Apply. The profile to your preference will now be installed and will be activated. Would you like to reset a profile back to the factory default settings? Click on the profile you would like to reset. Click on the Reset button below. Confirm by clicking on Reset. The profile will now be reset back again to the factory default settings. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more car tutorials. Does your Audi have the Audi Side Assist option, but it's not activated and you're not sure how to activate it? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to activate and deactivate the Side Assist option in your Audi. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Audi Side Assist is a safety assistance system that keeps an eye on the blind spots of your car. When it's a good time to change lanes, an orange LED light comes on in the left or right door mirror. Radar sensors detect whether a vehicle is approaching next to your Audi and measures the distance and difference in speed. But since Audi Side Assist is a safety assistance system, it is always essential to stay attentive and aware while driving to avoid any collision. But how to activate or deactivate the side assist option? Start your Audi and go to the Audi M-Line menu. Click on Car and go to Driver Assist. Click on the document with the pencil next to Individual. You can now activate or deactivate the side assist option. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more car tutorials.